Yo, what's going on, y'all? This Every Penny Counts, and my video to have for y'all today is on Keep Rewarding. Alright, the link to it will be in the description. Sign up for a bonus. Real quick, I'm gonna do a cash out. I made 119 points just like a few minutes ago. I just did one survey and I got $1.19. So I mean that's basically all I'm gonna do on this site, because this is my site I just go through, and my goal on this site is to make $1. I have different goals for each site, which I tell you, like all of these videos that I make, on these different sites and different apps, have your own personal goal of how much you want to make on that site, whether it's 50 cents, whether it's $1, whether it's $3. Have your own goal, and you kind of come up with a goal when you kind of just look through the site and you see what you're able to do, what works best for you on that site. And I try to give you guys a routine that works best for me, and I get a lot of good feedback from my subscribers that my routines usually work well for them. So that's why I kind of just throw out what I do. So like I said, I made 119 points just this morning with it, and I forgot to actually cash out on it, so I'm doing it tonight. But I'm going to just show you, because I did one of these say so surveys, and I want to bring this up because you see here on each one of these it says increase rewards. All right, so they're paying a little bit more than that. One I did, it was worth I think it was worth 115, and I think I already had like 4 points in my account, but it was worth 115, and it was just one survey. So I highly recommend just coming on here. As soon as you sign up, this will be the home page, and you just kind of scroll through and you see what you have as far as surveys that are available for you. All right, so when you do that, you can go over here to surveys actually, and you can see even more. And that's just the ones on the home page. You go over to surveys, you'll see more. I do want to show you one survey that is like really easy for you to do, that you'll basically complete every time. It's like a guaranteed 25 cents. I'm gonna scroll down and show you. Well, not actually, yeah. Scroll down and show you. These are the say so awards. Now this first one, this is worth 180 points. I mean, that's really high. That's almost $2 for every one that you do. You know what I'm saying? You can complete it. You can do it once per day, but that's a quick $1.80. You know what I'm saying? Like for me, my goal is just make $1. So that's way above my goal. But I'm gonna scroll down. This is like here it is right here. It's a TV survey. Basically, it's gonna ask you some simple questions like what time do you watch TV, whether it's morning, afternoon, or night. Then you kind of pick the show that you watch, answer some questions on it. Whether you get the questions right or wrong for it, you're gonna finish the survey and you're gonna get 25 points. You can do this all the time. You can do this every day. That's a guaranteed 25 points. I just want to throw that out. Very, very simple to do. You know what I'm saying? So, but like I said, just have your own personal goals. Me, I just kind of play around with, whatever surveys are paying at least $1. That's one I want to attempt. Also, I want to show you some easier ones that you want to do if you're having trouble. Tap research is always good to do, and theorem reach as well. Peanut labs, those surveys are 5 to 10 minutes long, so they don't take that long to do. So I mean, just jump over to those if you find that you're struggling, you know what I'm saying, and get some easy points, some disqualification points, and you can get your balance to build up a little bit faster. So now I'm going to show you the cash out. I'm gonna go over here to reward store, and you can actually cash out on a minimum of $1 on here, which I'm going to do. But I'm gonna show you the things they have. They have PayPal. They also have Amazon, and they got this reward link card, and they got Walmart down there. Now you see, if you get like a $10, $25 gift card, there's actually a discounted offer for you, even with that $50 Tango card. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just gonna cash out $1 just because I just want to show you, the different ways you can cash out. And plus, I met my goal for today, and I could build it up, but I have another site I want to get to, so it's just up to you as far as what you want to do. But this might be one of them sites you want to grind out on. Feel free to do that. You know what I'm saying? It's all up to you. So I'm going to request my payout. Let me scroll down real quick. I'm trying to do all this with one hand. Go ahead and request it. And there it is. The award has been added to a pending list. We aim to process your award within 7 working days. And for me, when I get paid from this site, it usually takes me, maybe like a day or two to get the money. It never takes 7 days, but you just want to, they just tell you that just, so they have plenty of time to actually process the payment. But like I said, I usually get it within, 1 to 2 days. So I just want to show you guys that, show you it's another site that you can, make money with. If you're not a member of it, you should sign up. The link is in the description. Sign up today. Get you some bonus points and start making money with it. All right. It's all about, just signing up for these free sites, making a couple of dollars on them, you know what I'm saying, and just letting your money build. I mean, you'll be surprised at, the amount of money you make by using free sites, doing surveys, doing offers, clicking on ads, little simple stuff that able, to put real money in your pocket. So like I said, sign up today. The link is in the description. And always remember, every penny counts.